Hi guys, myself Farsh Goel and you are watching my YouTube channel. So today we are here with a new video. It's not a usual video related to podcasts or related to opportunities, but something unusual, a surprise that I've recently got. It's basically a gift box, gift hamper from a company. So we'll talk in this video, उसको unbox करेंगे, we'll see क्या क्या चीजें हैं उसमें. काफी अच्छा hamper है, it came all the way from USA. And we'll talk about why I got this particular hamper, इसमें क्या कुछ है and क्या क्या चीजें हैं. That's something that I wanted to share with my community, with my family. So make sure you check out this video till the end, and so let's get started. So I recently received this hamper by AstraDB. It's a tech by DataStax. So DataStax is a company. I was involved in one of the hackathons that DataStax recently conducted related to AstraDB, in which AstraDB was to be used. So this gift hamper is a byproduct of that. I even shared that opportunity with all of you so that you can also participate, and it's good to tell you that many of my subscribers are also getting the same box that I have got because they also participated in that hackathon. So make sure you check out everything that is there on this channel. So let's start to unbox and see what's there inside. So guys, it looks something like this. There are a lot of things that I can see. First of all, the packaging is the best. So there is a truly wireless, perfectly simple. I think these are Bluetooth earbuds, if I'm not wrong. These are Bluetooth earbuds by Skullcandy. So this is something that they have sent. We'll try upon this. Like I currently don't have earbuds. I was thinking of taking one. So we'll try upon this how it works. There's something else as well. This is the ultimate personal power station, Fuel Base Max wireless charging. It's basically, I guess, something similar to a power bank. We'll have to check upon what actually it is. Next, there is a very cool hoodie. So this is the hoodie that I've received. Whether it's something you can see, and yeah, this is the hoodie that I've got. Apart from that, there is one thing more. This is a cool, nice t-shirt. It's also from DataStax. Like they have mentioned the name of the hackathon as well. It is Build Modern Data App. So it's the hackathon's name. So it's also there in the package. Known as Cold Brew Coffee. This is something known as Cold Brew Coffee Insulated Portable Brewer. I guess it's something in which we can keep things hot and warm, or keep things cool. It's made up of copper vacuum insulated, and yeah, so this is something that's really very cool. Yeah, I'll try to explore on how it works and everything. This was the packet that I recently received. So this was something that I got due to a hackathon. So I have been posting a lot about different hackathons. A few people also wish to win such swags, wish to develop amazing products. Definitely go ahead and check out and participate in all those hackathons. Build your own team and try to make sure that you at least participate, submit your idea. That's very important when it comes to participating in hackathons. So make sure you have a good team, have some great friends who are of similar interest, who have been building, who have been developing something, and you can also win such swags. So make sure for more such amazing videos, for more such amazing opportunities, for different hackathons that are coming in future, don't forget to check out my channel. Other playlists are also there in which you can find out content relevant to interview preparation in general. So make sure you do check that. See you in some other video. All the best. Good luck. Bye.